Deciding the coffee ratio for espresso is crucial to achieving the perfect balance of flavor, strength, and extraction. The standard espresso ratio is expressed as the weight of coffee grounds to the final liquid espresso. A common starting point is a 1:2 ratio, meaning for every 18 grams of ground coffee, you extract 36 grams of liquid espresso. Adjust your grinder to output the required dose and grind your coffee. Weigh the coffee in your portafilter on the coffee scales. Tamp the coffee in the portafilter. When you have the correct dose, extract your coffee. Place the cup on the coffee scales to measure the output. Time the extraction, aim to be in the range of approximately 30 to 40 seconds. Taste the coffee. If it is too sour, then extraction time is too short and the grind too coarse. If it is too bitter, then extraction time is too long and the grind too fine. Adjust the grinder to make the grind coarser or finer as required. Adjust and retest until extraction is to the required taste. Look for our other videos in the links below around getting the right taste to your coffee.